Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend your account on Twitter. Okay, so first of all, you have to just go to the Google, and after going to the Google, just type here Twitter, okay, and login, right? So it's happened because if you have temporarily deactivated your Twitter account, you can just enter your Twitter account just by logging into it. So you have to click on the first link that is login into Twitter, and here you have to enter your email address. Okay, so let me enter my email address. And guys, here you can see that I have logged into my Twitter account. So this is pretty easy, guys. So if you have temporarily deactivated your account, you can anytime you can unsuspend your Twitter account, right? You have to just go to your login page, Twitter login page, and you have to enter the login ID and the password, and you will come into the Twitter account, right? So I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below, and also make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.